Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make tech simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial, how to change your Spotify password. Whether you're looking to boost your account security after a potential breach or just want to update for peace of mind, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother changing your password? It's a smart move to protect your personal data, especially with all the streaming and playlists you've built on Spotify. To get started, make sure you're on a computer or device where you can access the Spotify web player. Head over to www.spotify.com and log in with your current credentials. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account overview page. Now, scroll down or navigate to the Profile section, where you'll find options related to your account settings. Look for Change Password, or something similar under Security Settings. It might say Edit Profile first, so keep an eye out. When you click on Change Password, Spotify will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password. Type that in carefully. Next, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make it strong. Aim for at least 8 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to keep hackers at bay. Then, re-enter the new password to confirm it matches. Hit the Save or Change Password button, and voila, you're all set. Spotify might log you out automatically, so just sign back in with your shiny new password. And remember, if you use a password manager, update it there too. There you have it, folks. Changing your Spotify password is quick, easy, and crucial for your online safety. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.